Oops. It's Ian! Yes, you heard it. I'm playing this game with this character. You might see him right now. I'm gonna make his real evil self. He's just transforming into his evil self. So, let's go. This is getting back into normal pose. Normal pose. Start pose. That worked. Okay. His evil self. Let's go to color. Gotta make him just all black. There we go. His mane is perfect.
Go back and rewind it just a little bit. Stop. What is that on the ground?
The mane.
We have facial recognition software. Let's use it on the bag.
Oops, I'm looking back at the camera again. Oh, me.
Yeah, that's kind of simple. Let's go for that. We got nowhere else to go.
Am I supposed to see it? I just made this. This is mostly his evil self. Now let's just make the good self again. But first, I gotta change something with his face. Well, there. Okay, I gave him the smile. Okay, let's go.
Just you go home and jump on whatever you got. Nobody home. What's that? Everything you have, you lose, right? Mother, father, long.
On your screen, it's very red. When it's on my screen, it's not that red.
That's what this job teaches then. No matter what. No matter how hard you grab on it, you'll lose it.
Whoa.
Grab on this guy in a couple hours. Better nail it.
That's not what I want. Get rid of that. Eyes.
No matter what, you still lose her. Right.
Fix his ear. Now we have to go back and get that haircut. Up. But we gotta make it lighter. There we go. Fix tail. Turn it back into Pinkamena. Wait, not that tail. That is the Pinkamena tail, but I use this tail. So I'm gonna rip her all off. Background. I'm sorry I didn't pose the other one. Wait, I'm gonna fast forward. I'm gonna go through it. Okay, I fixed it. Go on that.
Alright, look. He used to give me space
flat, right? Like this piece of paper. To see something from a distance, light is always going to travel a long way across the flat face of the screen. Slang, we can hold this space, bring the target closer to us, create what's known as an Einstein-Rosen bridge, or a wormhole, suspend the geogravitational field.
That's what we're looking at.
That's it.
What's on the other end of the
For sure, his new friend.
Basically, the open space in a higher dimension created.
It's this guy.
Well, that's what we hope for, and as we expected. With the electrical force, we used huge amounts of energy to create.
All right, how old are you? Remember that little black guy we had a few years back? We were in Canada, right? Michigan.
Half the Northeast, you're saying you got
50 million homes.
right, my bad.
Well, I still say Canada. Okay, so why can't I see this bridge? It's not this one. It's mine. This is real. It's real. It's the solid. It's the cell phone signal already.
Right. Well, I don't know how
Should I
the
make
cell
him-
phone works. I just know how to use it. So how do we
Wait, you see the back of her hair.
You know that?
Whoa. They should have fixed that. They should have made it so, like, you know, if you did this, like, the hair would move normally.
Like yourself in the mirror, it takes some time to look like that. Get this straight.
You're trying to tell me that on the other side of this bridge, the actual path.
This is a guy because he has no eyelashes.
Created this thing like you're at. All right.
So that's mostly it. I'm sorry I didn't post the other one, but
The complete blue. All right. And everybody was paralyzed.
in another video I will make a Wonder Bolt. A new Wonder Bolt. So you better go check that out.